1, 2, right, left, right, punch. Hang on, I missed the punch.
Really?
Rewind.
Alright, we gotta do it. We gotta make sure it's perfect.
Okay.
We got it.
It's like
You don't punch on the lip.
1, 2, right, left, punch. Got it.
Oh, you turn that way. Punch me to the left arm.
No.
That's,
He didn't punch me the left arm.
yes, he did.
Oh, he did go right, didn't he?
One, right, left, punch, punch.
That's what we need for the Beyonce.
Let's go. 1, 2. Too fast. What's wrong?
Punch, Lindsay, punch!
No, they're not punching
Look
it.
at the bird walk.
They're tricking us. Run.
I got it.
Lindsay thinks she's doing it, and Megan thinks she's doing it, but they're doing something totally
Neither
different.
one of us are doing it.
No, they tricked us.
Do it again.
That is not what they taught us.
No, here we go.
That's not what they taught us.
Oh, y'all making me cry.
Got to add that ghetto-ness to it.
Oh my god. You gotta put your booty in it,
Well,
Lindsay.
we gotta get what we're doing first.
Put your back into it.
You gotta shake your
Here,
hands.
take it.
Look, they double bounce. So now look.
Oh, they did. I don't have any rhythm. I don't know how to do that.
I can't get the punching thing.
Yeah, they tricked us. They didn't teach us that.
Fucking retarded.
Oh, Megan, you got it. You're freaking.
It's kindergarten for Gina.
I got this.
No,
Yeah,
these
it's
little
like-
kids are not doing what they are doing.
Finish.